I know great responsibilities lie ahead, and I naturally reciprocate these sentiments, and we greatly appreciate his assurance of sympathy and support.
H4H is a welfare society that provides financial rehabilitation to poor people by finding them jobs, providing them with skills, and, in some special cases, helping them to start a small business. It also finds out such families which need financial assistance. In addition to that, H4H facilitates deserving students to help them complete their education. In all, it serves as a bridge for donating zakat and charity. H4H is all about helping the humanity. This organization was started by a group of activists, students who had an idea to have a platform and a proper channel for efficiently utilizing the charity and donations in such a way that it provides a long-lasting solution to the deserving families. Incepted during a venture to welcome the IDPs of Operation Rahe-Rast in Sawabi, the theme was to construct the nation and lessen the poverty by promoting empowerment and entrepreneurship. For empowering the people, H4H is focusing on those families which either do not have a bread earner or are facing the fiend of unemployment. Determining to eliminate the trend of begging, H4H will do its efforts in imparting skills to these people that would help them stand on their own feet and not remain financially dependent. To make it transparent, everything you give or we spend is logged in an online record presented to the people. Here is how H4H works. First, we find a case. For example, we find a deserving family. We don't go straight away financing people. We have our own verification process through which we process and investigate the authenticity of every case, and only after we verify up to our satisfaction, we facilitate and finance the families. In case of supporting a student, we closely watch the student's academic progress, and after it we finance his education. H4H has wed many poor girls. We do not provide or support dowry. We finance their wedding expenses, and in addition to that, we also provide, for example, sewing machines so they can support themselves. Mr. Umar Fiaz Abbasi and Mr. Yusuf provided the main idea for H4H, and then Mr. Tariq, who is also the president, implemented the idea. Later on, Mr. Hassan Shah and his team of Al-Maryam Blood Donation Society and Mr. Faizan of Comsat's Relief Society and his team also merged with H4H and built the front core of the organization. Here, we have a message from the President.
Human for Human is a welfare trust that provides financial rehabilitation to the poor people by finding them jobs and providing them skills. For empowering the people, HFRH is focusing on those families which either do not have bread earner or facing the fend of unemployment. Our main objectives are sponsor the education of deserving students, provide jobs to the needy person. If a person is not educated, we provide them skills, help them in the business of very small scale, and finally we also provide blood to the needy patients.
They have supplied, with your help, food and supplies to hundreds of IDPs. COMSATS has always been the platform, and the people at the COMSATS, the students and the lecturers are the operatives behind it. That is, they not only finance or gather money, they work themselves with their own hands. It is the lecturers who have been the inspiration behind it. H4H has spent a lot of time with the poor at different centers, such as spending Eid with children at the Eidi center. The aim was to blend in those with the families with those who do not have families. Exactly that is what H4H is about. It's humanity for humanity. We make a difference but eliminating the differences. We think it, we make it happen.